I take this opportunity to call upon the forces of violent extremism to immediately cease using IEDs as a weapon of war. Owing to the inevitably indiscriminate nature of IED attacks, most of the victims are innocent civilians, men, women, and children, not the presumed targets of such operations. No political or other purpose can be served by the indiscriminate massacre of innocent civilians. I'd like to pay tribute to the resilient spirit of the Somali people in the face of such attacks. I note with satisfaction how the country's progress towards peace and prosperity has continued despite the brutal realities that face you every day. Our thoughts go out to the survivors of the explosion, whose lives were tragically and irreversibly altered by the terrible events of 14th of October 2017. May they and their loved ones find the strength to overcome the lasting physical and mental scars left by this horrible attack.
Our national staff work and live in the community. You are our front line of support to all of our peace building, state building, and developmental efforts. Without you, we would not be able to achieve the UN's mandate for Somalia.